What is up, guys? We are back at it with another Fortnite solo video, and this video is going to be my 50th solo win. But to get my 50th solo win, there's a catch to it. I'm only allowed to use pistols. I can't use any other gun, but I can pick up healables. I'm only allowed to use pistols as a weapon. So this video is going to be interesting. Please stick to the end to see how this video turns out. And thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. If we can hit 10 subscribers, I will do a solo squads video, which I really want to do. But that is up to you guys if you want to see it. So subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bro, where are all these kids at? Bro, why am I never in zone? It's so annoying. I'm gonna die up here. Where's he going?
I'm coming. What is this shit?
Let's go, baby.
What is this shit? In the way.
2 kills. Green pistol, nope, it's attack. Not even gonna go over there. This challenge is super hard, dude. Oh, I'm coming up to the zombie island. I hate this place.
Baby boy. My baby boy. Yeah.
I only have 2 kills right now. It's probably the worst I've ever done in a game. And I only have 1 pistol. Like, my plan was to get, like, purple pistols and stuff and, like, get multiple pistols. But I only have 1. Because I keep getting snipers out of chests. I'm not even really going to mess with this place. I'm just going to see what it has, because that's why. place is annoying. Jeez. Retarded zombies. Where's everyone at? I only have 2 kills. This is a horrible game. Oh my god, is that a guy? Nope. Oh dude, he's lasered. Poor guy. Stuck. Didn't even have anything, bro. I'm not killing him with the bow because I can't. Another pistol. Bro, I'm stuck. I heard shots here. Like, I just don't know where they're at. Like, I heard a full-on SMG spray. I have 13 minis, dude. Oh my god, it's a weapon upgrader. I could get a green pistol. Dude, I swear to God, I just saw a guy. Bro. I swear to you, there was a guy right there. Oh, there's like no one. This is gonna be a horrible game. And I only have gray pistols, so it already is a horrible game. Honestly, I'm just gonna have to sit and wait for the people to come to me. So annoying. I'm literally just gonna have to chill and wait for the people to come to me. I'm gonna go back to Holy and just literally just sit in that place. Because there's probably gonna be people rolling in. I only have gray pistols. Oh my gosh. This challenge is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. my gosh, let's go. Finally, dude. I've been waiting the whole game for this. There has to be somewhere in here, someone around here. Dude, there's no way. Oh my god, there's literally no one here. There's 16 people in the game and how is no one in here? Dude, this doesn't make sense. I don't even understand. I don't know why I didn't pop these minis either. Like, where are these kids? This doesn't make sense. Bro, game. Is there even anyone on this map? I can't find anyone. Dude, I hear shots, but where are they? Oh my gosh, let's go. There's no way that there's no one around here. Where is everyone? Dude, I'm not even gonna get like a 10 bomb. I literally can't find a single person in this game. Like, this isn't even gonna be that good of a video because I haven't even been fighting anyone for the whole time. Okay, I hear shots, and they're literally right above this hill, and right when I get on top of this hill, they're just gonna disappear. See? What did I say? What did I honestly say? Dude, I swear the shots are right here. Oh my god, he's actually right there. Dead. Let's go. 1v1. Where is this kid? I'm literally only gonna get a 7 bomb, but at this rate, I don't care. Zombie, you're annoying. pretty nerve-wracking right now. Dude, if he dies from zone, I'm gonna be honestly fuming. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me. You're joking me, right? You're joking me, right? Oh boy. Am I really about to do this with a pistol? Let's go, guys! Let's go! With pistols only! Dude, let's go. That is honestly insane. 50th soloing with pistols only. You guys better like and subscribe this video. Subscribe to my channel so we can do a solo squads video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later.